The final video in this series will introduce the doorknob rotation. Like when you twist the doorknob, our hand can do this rotation gesture. This mechanism is very useful when you're playing passages that has either thumb or pinky as a pivot, such as tremolo or repetitive broken chords. Instead of making two gestures, this and that, we can group these gestures together as one. But you always have to watch out for your thumb not to have any unnecessary tension. Let's begin with the tremolo exercise. Since I like using the outer rotation, I will use the thumb as pivot. Let's practice by holding the thumb note while you repeat the pinky note. Exaggerate the gesture. Once you feel comfortable with the movement, play the tremolo slowly. Make sure your arm and wrist are loose. Now play fast but small amount at a time. Notice that you will need to minimize the gesture. You should feel like you're just shaking your hands. Close your hand after each repetition in order to relax your muscle. Now do it longer. As you can see, your whole forearm should also shake as your hand does the rotation movement. You can apply this technique for broken chord figures. The bass notes usually function as the pivot notes, so in this case the pinky of my left hand and the thumb of my right hand are the pivot. Notice that my pivot finger stays on the key and I'm almost like throwing my hands to play the chords. Repetitive gestures can be tricky when you have small hands. The doorknob rotation will reduce your tension and make the difficult passages easier to execute. If you are not used to this gesture, you might still feel tired in your arm. So try this exercise bit by bit until you become comfortable with this gesture.